In this video, I will be showing you how to use Incognito mode with Grok AI to safely browse your queries. Let's get started. I start on the Google homepage and head up to the address bar. I type in Grok and press enter to look it up. When the search results load, I look for the main link and click on grok.com to open the official page. Once the interface loads, I look over to the top right corner and click the private button. This switches the interface into Incognito mode, meaning this chat won't appear in my history and will not be used to train future models. Now, I click inside the prompt bar where it says, "How can I help you today?" and type out my request. Create a simple weekly workout plan for someone who is just starting to exercise. After making sure the text is correct, I click the arrow button on the right side to send it off. The AI begins generating the plan. I wait a few moments as it pieces together a structured routine. It starts with a summary of the simple beginner weekly workout plan, outlining the total time per session, frequency, and key rules to follow like warming up and stretching. As it keeps typing, a well-organized weekly schedule appears on screen, mapping out specific activities for each day from Monday through Sunday. Below the schedule, it details a full body strength workout with clear instructions for exercises like squats, push-ups, and glute bridges. It finishes up by providing some essential cardio tips and general success advice to help any beginner stay on track and build consistency. I can scroll down to read through the entire generated response carefully. Everything is clearly laid out, giving me a solid foundation to begin my fitness journey without saving any of these detailed searches to my account history. This specific routine covers every detail, including repetitions, sets, variations, and even nutritional reminders to make it highly actionable. Because I am using private mode, I can safely research and experiment with different prompts, knowing that my search preferences and history remain completely private. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.